everyone, welcome back to Worklyst Educate. I hope you guys are fit and fine. So today we are going to learn about how to set up C++ in VS Code. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe, like, comment and share it with your coding friends. Without further ado, let's get started. Step 1 for setting up C++ in VS Code is that you should have VS Code installed, and if you haven't installed VS Code till now, so I would suggest you guys to go to code.visualstudio.com and download it for your operating system, be it Linux, Windows, Mac OS or whatever. Okay, so this is coming to the step 2. Coming to the step 2, in this we are actually going to install the MinGW C++ compiler. So we have its website here on the page, as you can see on the screen. So we are going to click this, and then we are going to click this download button. Since I already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to download it again. So click this download button, you will get it downloaded, and I'm going to open my already downloaded setup. So this is what the Dropbox looks like, and you need to click on install, then continue. Keep everything as it is since I already have it installed. So this warning is appearing. Otherwise you have to just click on continue and keep the basic setup as it is. No changes are required, and soon you will come to this page. So here certain packages are to be installed and the changes are to be applied. So the four basic packages that are there is, let me tell you. Okay, so the four basic packages are, as you can see on the screen, the first one is MinGW 32 GCC Object C, and this one G++, and the other two are, first one is the developer tools and the second one is MinGW base, this one. You need to mark all these four basic packages for installation. We need to go to installation and then apply changes. So here we're going to click to apply, then it will take certain minutes. So we need to click on apply, and after this your installation will start. It will take some time for you to install them, be patient. After the installation is complete and changes are applied, it will show a drop box saying that all the changes were applied successfully. Now since after the installation is done and dusted, we are going to set the path using the environment variable. So go in the start and search for environment variable. Okay, so let's click this. So before that you need to go at that place where your MinGW is stored, and in that you need to go in the bin. So we have that in, we need to go to this PC, then Windows C, we'll have our MinGW here. We need to go to the bin and search and okay, and copy the path from here. So we are going to double click. Yeah, we are going to double click here like this, copy this, Control C, and then basically we are going to click in environment variable, then click on path, add new, sorry, not this, then we need to click on path. What we did is we clicked on path, edit, and then we added new, and then we need to copy paste that path, MinGW bin wala path here, and after, like, I've copied it here. I have already have it installed, that's why I'm not copying. Then you need to click OK and then OK to all the things here, like OK and OK again. Now we are going to check it out whether it is installed properly or not. Now we are going to check whether we have installed the compiler properly or not. So we are going to command prompt, type cmd on the start, and here we are going to type G++ --, version, and since it shows 6.3.0, so our compiler is installed successfully. Now we are going to run our first VS Code program. So So before running our program on VS Code, we need to ensure that we have the necessary extensions installed on it. So we have basically two important and necessary extensions before running our C++ program. So here we are going to go into extension section, and we have already typed here code runner. So you are going to get an extension like this. We need to install this. As you can see already that I have this installed, and again let's go here and we are going to install C++ extension. So this is the extension pack by Microsoft. We need to install this as well, and come back here and let's write our program. So this is a file hello.cpp, and we are going to write our first program here. This is our basic template for writing our C++ program. We are basically printing hello world here, and now let's run it. So we have got the necessary header file, that is #include studio.h. So as you can see, we have got the output hello world. So this is how we have set up our C++ in VS Code. Thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Stay tuned for the next episode.